He's a baby. That's my mom's dog, Angel. Saying, I love you. I love you. Let me see your pretty face. Shh, shh, shh. Angel, I love you. I love you. Who's that pretty girl? Who's my little pretty girl? Yeah, he's my baby. She's a little corgi, but she's a pain in the butt sometimes. She sometimes will eat cat food when she's supposed to be eating her own dog food. She's mama's girl, huh? Are you mommy's little girl? Are you auntie's little girl? Angel, are you mama's little girl? You mommy's little girl? Who's your girl? Who's your girl? Who's your girl? Yeah, you mama's girl. Yep, that's her mama. Looking at her phone. Now giving her a little back itch, or a little butt itch. Poor thing, she's been itching. She's a good puppy, though. Angel, are you a good puppy? Are you a good dog? You a good dog? She loves to cuddle. Go give mama hugs. Angel, go give mama hugs. Go give mama hugs. Go give mama hugs. Go. Get over there. Ay, papita. There we go. Mommy getting mommy huggies. Mommy loves her puppy. You ornery dog. Alrighty guys, comment what you want me to do down below, and I'll send you guys some more movies and stuff like that. Alright, peace.